Yes, new technology is really becoming available fast, and we are looking at ways how to make that possible, to use that technology to facilitate surveys and inspection early on, right now, but also in the future. What are these technologies? We actually have around many experts in our company which can deliver expertise to our customers. Using now mobile phones, which are readily available, you can directly connect to these technical experts through sending a message from onboard through a specialized app, which then covers the whole case, which will be answered within 24 hours. This is our direct access to technical experts. Furthermore, building on streaming technology, we could in the future, and this is becoming available actually on a commodity market, use that to support the inspections via streaming video. You can even do this when going down in the ship. So on a lower deck it is possible to use video streaming. The next step is then how do we access tank structures if they are really high, if we would need to build access to climb up. How can we avoid climbing up the structure for tank surveys? Now, using drones, this is becoming possible right now. So there are cases for the first class renewal survey for bulkers and tankers, for example, that for the cargo hold area or the cargo tanks, we can use drones to really fly up and do the inspection on spot, and therefore avoiding cost of building structure to access it. So this is becoming available right now. It's possible we can offer it today. For me, the main benefit of digitalization comes with reusing information. So to be prepared for a digital era, my advice would be to seek for areas where there is information already available and you can reuse it for other purposes, in fact, without increasing the cost. For example, AIS was not made to really support performance management of ships, but just for safety purposes for approaching vessels. But now as it becomes available, you can just reuse the same information for other purposes. Now just copying information is very cheap, and doing that is the advantage of the digital era. So you need to have the link of existing information into your systems. This is what my advice would be for be prepared for the digital era. Big data connects to finding patterns in existing large amounts of information. So how are you able to really detect these patterns? You will still need to have some insight into what really anomalies, which are detected automatically, what does it really mean? So you will need the expertise to interpret what an algorithm has found out. So what would we need to do to make use of the big data technologies? We will still need in the background experts who can help you interpret the information or who can train these kind of algorithms. So big data will come, and there are cases already, but building on expertise, you can really make value out of what's up to come. We are actively engaged in utilizing digitalization, making it useful for our customers. This is for today, this is in the near future, but also we are heavily investing into digitalization in the far future. So we have quite some offerings we are showing today, and we have this forum which is just taking place behind us, where we shown the new solution around, for example, connecting surveyors to the remote office, giving expertise, but also giving advice for fleet performance management, building on big data technologies. So showing that is what we do for our customers here.